I had no idea I was moving into a fortress. Everywhere I turn, there's another security guard.
Lana, that gentleman's not a security guard. He's a private investigator. Over the last few days, it's become clear I'm being followed.
By who?
Oh, I doubt I have to look much further than the lowest branch in the family tree, but I can't be sure.
You called the police.
After breaking every law imaginable, I was inhabited by Zod. I don't want to go anywhere near a badge. I can't trust anyone, not even my own security.
You can trust me.
Of course I can. Then I want you to have this. In case of an emergency.
He's the best PI in Metropolis.
If anything happens to me, you need to call that number. Not the police. Robert Pontius will make sure you're safe.
Lex, don't talk like that.
I'm just being cautious.